what course to create, which course to create. Though I'm talking it about the course, but as you see, we are building your business, right? So now you can do this exercise for each of your courses, or you can just do this exercise for your overall business offering. And each of your course comes under that offering. So when you do this for each of your courses, it will help you write the description about the courses. If you are publishing on Udemy on a common platform, or if you're publishing it on your own Teachable Hub, learning management program, Thinkific, Teachable, Kajabi, I'll share all those things there. But if you have alignment of your vision, mission, what are your values, and who is the target audience? See, target audience, you can, because I am promoting the fact that if you don't know your niche, don't let it become your growth blocker. Get going with whatever course you can create, because if sooner or later your niche will find you. Don't, because that finding your niche is a huge growth blocker for many people, and they are not able to move forward, right? So now what you need to do is have your vision, mission, values in place along with the course that you want to do, by writing 10 pains that you solve for your target audience, and how they are going to benefit, and what will be your system of transformation, right? So that is how you create a high converting course, along with some more things that will be coming up, right? So now I would like to show you the blueprint, the personal clarity blueprint, and why mission is important, why vision is important, why values are important. So I'm going to be doing my screen share. Now, at this stage, if you're not able to come up with a vision statement, it's fine. But I would want you to orient yourself on a bigger picture. So what is your vision? What should be your vision? Vision is something which is beyond you. Vision is something which is beyond you. Vision is an aspiration. Vision is the change that you want to see in this world. Okay. If you want to eradicate poverty in this world, eradicating poverty becomes your vision. If you want employability in the world, better options for employability, that can become your vision, right? If you are providing skills to people, then better livelihood can be a vision. By one of the ways to give a better livelihood is by right education and skilling, right? And if you want people to find their dream jobs or etc., right? So what is your vision? That equal opportunity for all, that could be your vision. Whatever whatever resonates with you. Now vision is an aspiration. It is like a bigger purpose, higher purpose. Now mission is the doing part of the vision. Mission is the doing part of the vision, right? That means what is your offering that will make the vision possible, right? So for example, my vision is a growing and giving world, right? A more growing and giving world. So what is my mission? I want growth for all. So for growth for all, I am on a mission to empower aspiring entrepreneurs become world-class entrepreneurs. So what does that mean is across various dimensions of your life, right? How does someone become a world-class entrepreneur? They are doing many things right in their business, in their life, in their spiritual, in the discovery of their self. There are many things they are doing, right? So that becomes one of my mission, right? Or my mission can also be financial growth first. That can also, I will write that. You have to keep evolving. I'm just ideating with you, right? So mission is the doing of the vision. So how can I empower people to grow? By giving them right entrepreneurial education, and learnings, and I can have multiple programs under that. So growth, basically growth, people, the simplest way people look at growth is financial growth. Now, even a person in stock market can say, I give financial growth, right? So more or less it remains the same. It is just what is your specific offering that is making that mission or vision come true. So the doing part is the mission. What will you do? So if you say, I want, I'm an environmentalist, I want a more green world, green and clean world. So you could be in sustainability, energy, eco-friendly solutions, products, services, whatever, right? So it's, so why I'm asking you to do this and why I'm orienting you towards it, because then what will happen is everything will start flowing very seamlessly with lot of clarity, because all the pieces should connect. And if you're not able to come up with this at this stage, it's okay, but I want you to orient yourself in this direction.